In a world that increasingly seeks speed, convenience, and digital perfection, there is a quiet but powerful countercurrent, an instinctive yearning for quality, authenticity, and texture. We may not always be able to name it, but we feel it when we step into a room, and something about it makes us breathe easier. It isn't flashy or loud. It's simple, tactile, and grounding. This is the unspoken magic of wooden wall accents. More than just decor, these handcrafted pieces have become symbolic of a deeper human need to surround ourselves with materials that feel real and stories that endure. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of wooden wall accents, design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Wood, by its very nature, speaks to something ancient and trustworthy in us. When integrated into a wall, whether through slats, carvings, panels, or abstract patterns, it becomes more than a backdrop. It becomes an invitation. Wooden wall accents do not compete with the life happening around them, they support it. They echo the forest they came from and carry with them the imperfections and grains of nature's design. Each knot, groove, and tone variation is a reminder that beauty does not lie in symmetry or gloss, but in presence and patience. As we spend more time in our homes, especially in recent years, the walls around us have taken on more significance. They are no longer just surfaces, they have become emotional landscapes. This has led many homeowners to turn away from the cold flatness of painted drywall or generic wallpaper and instead seek warmth, literal and emotional, through wood. A well-placed wooden accent wall can anchor a room, provide visual rhythm, and create a mood of comfort and thoughtfulness. But beyond visual appeal, it tells a story, one of craftsmanship, respect for nature, and an eye for detail. The movement toward wooden wall features is not merely about aesthetics. It is a lifestyle choice. In choosing a wood accent wall over synthetic options, homeowners are making a quiet stand for quality over quantity, for craft over trend. They're signaling to themselves and others that their space matters, not just in how it looks, but in how it feels. Wood, after all, isn't passive. It changes slightly with time and temperature. It ages. It holds history. To live with wood is to live with something alive. And that's what makes wooden wall accents so emotionally resonant. They aren't just design elements. They are silent companions. They absorb light differently depending on the time of day. They smell of cedar or oak or pine. They provide a touch point literally for anyone walking by. You cannot help but run your hand along the surface, feeling the grain, noticing the joins, appreciating the work. In a digital age where touch is increasingly rare, that tactile invitation is invaluable. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For many, the appeal of wood also lies in its sustainability. Reclaimed wood, for instance, has become a favorite among modern designers not just for its rustic charm, but for its ethical footprint. A wooden wall accent made from old barn wood, shipping pallets, or floorboards carries layers of memory and meaning. It shows that beauty can come from what others discarded, and that craftsmanship can renew what time has worn. In this way, wooden wall accents align with a growing global consciousness, one that values environmental responsibility as much as personal expression. There is also an evolving appreciation for craftsmanship itself. As society becomes more aware of the origins of the products we buy, there is renewed respect for handmade work. When someone installs a wooden accent wall that was shaped, sanded, and sealed by hand, they are doing more than decorating. They are choosing to honor the labor and skill behind it. They are bringing into their home a piece of someone's artistry, a collaboration between maker and dweller that elevates both. This return to natural materials and artisanal design also plays a powerful psychological role. Studies have shown that environments with natural textures, especially wood, can reduce stress and improve mental well-being. We gravitate toward these materials not just because they look beautiful, but because they help us feel better. They remind us of forests, of simplicity, of slower days. They make our homes feel more like sanctuaries and less like storage units for possessions. As a result, wooden wall accents have transcended trend. They've become timeless. Whether in minimalist Scandinavian interiors, rustic farmhouses, urban lofts, or eclectic boho homes, they find a way to belong. They adapt not by changing but by grounding the space around them. They are the quiet statement that doesn't shout for attention but draws the eye and the soul. Nonetheless, for craftspeople and creators, this deepening public appreciation for wooden wall accents offers immense opportunity. It's not just about selling a panel or a plank. It's about offering transformation. A well-designed wooden wall can completely shift the atmosphere of a room, making it feel more anchored, more expressive, and more intimate. This makes it a powerful offering in the marketplace, not just as a product, but as a service. Every piece can be tailored to suit the mood and function of a space. Be it a geometric arrangement of wood slats in a modern apartment or a reclaimed beam repurposed as a mantel centerpiece, the possibilities are endless and lucrative. But more importantly, the value lies in what wooden accents symbolize: a return to intentionality. As people become more selective about what they allow into their living spaces, items that carry emotional and environmental resonance become more prized. Wooden wall accents speak to that mindset. They are not disposable. They are not temporary. They are investments, not just in the home's design, but in the life lived within it. We naturally gravitate toward wood because it reminds us of the human capacity to create beauty from simplicity. In a chaotic world, a wall of walnut, oak, or even pine is a pause, a breath, a testament that the things we choose to live with, when chosen with care, can reflect our values, soothe our spirits, and shape our days. In choosing wooden wall accents, we are doing more than adding warmth to our rooms. We are choosing craftsmanship over convenience, sustainability over disposability, and meaning over trend. We are choosing to surround ourselves with reminders of what matters, not just in design, but in life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden wall accents, design ideas. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.